Hi guys, it's us again at Bella Greenery, and today we're just doing a quick unboxing of some of the items that help our plants inside of our vivarium and paludarium and things of that nature that we have here. And Josh's Frogs is super awesome in the way that they package the products. So I'm showing you guys how it's labeled on the outside so the shipping carrier knows exactly what's inside and hopefully handles it with a little bit more care. Now I'm trying to crack open this box, doing the best that I can, but like I said, it's packaged so well, you don't have to worry about these things coming open during transport either. So inside, I have a couple of bugs and things that would go inside of our enclosures basically, and I thought it was super cute how they gave us a thank you note for purchasing from their store. So I am now trying to figure out what's moving, how it's doing on the inside, and this is a container of earthworms. 25 are supposed to be inside, and then I am trying to basically go through the box to see what would be good to show, because the last time I purchased, it took a little while for these guys to wake up. And this is a little container of super worms. And then, and also in this box, I should have 2 dwarf isopods, dwarf white isopods. Now I'm showing you guys the care sheets. Like Josh's Frogs even gives us care sheets on how to take care of each individual item that is purchased, live item that is purchased, and I thought that was amazing as well. So now I'm opening up the second package, and again, even these type of packages, not just boxes, they are also labeled so that the carrier knows what's inside. My helper is back, and I'm showing you now my Dubia Roach care sheet. I only have one animal right now that eats Dubia roaches, and my busy butt is trying to get into the camera. So this is the Dubia roaches. This is what came inside of that second package, and it also came with a heat pack to make sure that these items arrive to me alive, which I think is great. From my understanding, Josh's Frogs guarantees live arrival of all insects, bugs, and animals, so you can't beat that. Now that I have had a little bit of time in between, I am trying to show you guys the bedding, because each bedding is almost different in a sense on how to keep these bugs alive during transport and while you have them. So this is the bedding that comes with the earthworms. I don't believe all earthworms came to me alive, but at the time that they came, I actually just started to use them. So in another video, I'll show you guys what I did with the earthworms. But as I slowly dug at the bottom and chipped away at the filling, all the way at the bottom, you could see some extremely healthy earthworms, which started to move as soon as the air touched it and the light, because you know that they don't like that. And that was enough for me to do what my project had in hand. So these live pink healthy earthworms were at the bottom. I also used the top earthworms that didn't seem to have the same color or movement at all, but I'll show you guys that in another video. Now I'm showing you how well packaged these super worms are with a 25 count, and these items are all these insects and bugs are really well priced, and they come super well packaged. Like, it's no way you're gonna get these items and the bugs are loose inside of the box. They make sure that all of these bugs are packaged very well so that they are in the container that they put them in. So this is me showing you guys how active the super worms are, maybe about 10 to 15 minutes after coming out of the box. And now I'm opening up the Dwarf Isopods, which I have 2 containers of, and I believe there's like 25. So yeah, there's 25 in this one also. Now that little guy on the top is 25. So I do kind of rely on Josh's frogs to give me the amount that they say. So I don't know if that's just blindly following the pack or not, but they're actually super small and I would have to do a lot of extra movements in order to find all 25. So I just rely on Josh's frogs. They haven't stirred me wrong yet. So this is the second enclosure. This is the second container that they sent us, and I actually don't know if I ever found an isopod out of that. So sorry about this blacking out. I am trying to get this thing together, but these are the active earthworms that I found. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one where I show you what I do with these wonderful bugs and insects. Thank you. Bye-bye.